Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Ooh, Wagner.
At 5:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Collinsville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
Starting to rain.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Claremore, Owasso, Skiatook, Catoosa, Collinsville, Verdigris, Inola, Tewa, Kiowa. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 230 and 252. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for